What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be looking at a trade I took on NZDUSD on May 11th. So if we look back into the past, we can see that we have this very strong area of resistance. Every time price comes into it, it gets heavily rejected. So with that in mind, we were waiting for price to come back into this area because we also had a double bottom right here. And if you don't know what a double bottom is, it's basically something that just looks like an M formation right here. And more often than not, price will come back to test out this middle point right here. It will come back to retest this. So once price was hitting into this area right here, this resistance area that we had already established that we were waiting on, I wanted price to get rejected and come back down to retest this neckline. So with all of that in mind, we can see how price is really struggling to move forward. You can see how all of these moves are very quick and very fast. And then once we kind of get into this resistance area, we can see that price really starts slowing down. And then once price passes this and breaks structure, this is how I see it, as a structure break, I went ahead and entered the trade and I exited right here at this imbalance in the market right here, because this is also, if we look, right around the neckline area. So if we go ahead and look at the entry to the exit point, we caught about 50 pips on this trade, and then you can see how price consolidates and then starts heading back up. So overall, this was a fairly simple trade. This isn't a pair that I normally trade, but I did notice that we had this resistance area up here. We had the double bottom down here. I was really waiting for price to come back into this area and then get rejected back into the neckline, also where this imbalance was. So not a whole lot going into it, a little bit more than most of my trades. I like to keep trading pretty simple. But if you guys have any questions or you didn't understand something in this video, please drop a comment below and I'll be more than happy to help you out. And if you want to see all the trades as I'm taking them live, go ahead and follow me on Instagram and you will see those uploaded to my story. And maybe you'll take the trade with me, or maybe you'll just use it as a learning tool. With that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video.